and the last one is at the bottom. Wow, it looks so good. Do you see that? I can't believe it. Because I really do not know what to expect. Wait, no way. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I get so many messages from people trying to figure out how to set up a free yield strategy or how to actually find decentralized tools that aren't a total waste of time. And let's be honest, in 2026, finding anything reliable on the internet is just exhausting. Most of it's just pure garbage, but look at this, guys. I spent months researching patterns and I finally stumbled upon a project that caught my attention. All right, please take a look at the screen. Let's go ahead and jump over to Telegram. And yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. I think we should press the start button. So yeah, this is the thing I was talking about. Okay, let's see. And here, all I need to do to begin the session is initiate the standard setup. There are a few small technical requirements here, but I will complete this task real quick. Just give me a few seconds. All right, let's press the green one. All right. We should copy this information. All right, yeah, come on. Okay, going back to my wallet now. And then I will need to adjust a few of the settings right here. Go ahead and paste it in and hit the button. All right, that should do it. Now, let's continue. Oh, come on now. Yep, it is finally processing right now. While we're waiting for it to load, guys, I just want to clarify that this is definitely not financial advice, and I'm doing all of this strictly for entertainment purposes. Please make sure to do your own research. Okay, let's reload the page to make sure everything is completely updated. Yeah, there it is. Everything is done. So we can start our test. I'll choose the second one. Yeah, great. I'm gonna press this button here. And now, guys, I'm syncing this helper tool with the project itself. It's a pretty straightforward process, just following the steps. Yeah, give me a sec. So, guys, I need to adjust a few of the settings and a couple of steps here, and then we'll be ready. And while I'm doing this, guys, I have to remind you, I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to test things and document my own random experience. I'm not recommending that anyone repeats what I do. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so if you look right here, there are just a few simple steps to follow. Just give me a brief moment while I get all of this set up for you. Yeah, so yeah, I guess. All right, this is the final step, and we're finally going to start our test. Yeah, great. We've got a picture, so let's get started, guys. Yeah, I really need to go ahead and reload this page. In the meantime, I'm going to put in a small test amount. I am perfectly fine with losing it. Honestly, this is really just a little experiment. All right, let's open up these tiles just like that. Here we go. Yeah, I follow what I'm seeing here. Let's double check. And here, and yep, and the last one is at the bottom. Wow, it looks so good. Do you see that? I can't believe it. There's just no way. It is truly incredible, you guys. I really cannot believe it. That is simply amazing. So we are moving on to the main part of our test. Yeah, I have zero expectations here, but I can't help being a little excited. Don't mind me. I'm just finishing the final step. Yeah. All right. Let's go back. I'm going to pick up this specific thing and place it exactly right here. Okay. Okay, it is processing right now. I am not expecting very much. I am just doing this for the video. I am waiting for the final notification. Now I will head back to my account. Honestly, my hands are shaking a little bit because I really do not know what to expect. Wait, no. No way. Did you see that? Are you for real? Wow. It is amazing, guys. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys.